What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new 6th generation iPad mini. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. We're going to get straight into this in a second. But this device just came out a few days ago. Was super excited about it, and we're going to go ahead and check this out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so naturally we have the iPad on top, and this is going to be extremely light. We're going to take a look at this in a second, but it feels super substantial still. We also have some more literature in here. So we have the quick start guide, we have our safety and warranty, and of course we have their trademark right here, their stickers. Next we have our USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and we have our 20-watt wall adapter, which is capable of fast charging. Let's go ahead and take this off. I did actually get the space gray color. I don't think they had any other colors in stock, but I think space gray always looks pretty nice. But they do have a few other colors. They have space gray, pink, purple, and starlight, which is the one that I actually wanted, but that was sold out. Now this is going to be an 8.3-inch iPad mini, so it's going to be very small, very pocketable. This is going to be for the people that just want to take an iPad out and about and just not have it be a behemoth when they're using it. So this is extremely comfortable to use. I can already tell in my hands this fits super naturally. We're gonna take a look at the inside of this device in a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other features of this device. All right, everyone, so the back of this device, obviously Apple logo. We have the iPad right there, but on the top left corner, we actually have a 12 megapixel camera that is capable of shooting up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Just below that, obviously, our LED flash and our microphone. Bottom of the device, we have our speaker as well as our USB Type-C port. Top of the device, we have our volume up and down rocker as well as another speaker. So we actually do have dual speakers on this device. So when you're using it in landscape, you guys will have a stereo speaker experience. And of course, now we have our power on and off button right here that actually doubles as Touch ID now. So that's really cool. And this entire device only costs $499. So far what I'm seeing, this has a pretty decent build. This is going to be an all metal build. Getting into more of the specifications, obviously we have Touch ID up top. We're gonna go ahead and test that out right now. So just go ahead and rest our finger right here. 3, 2, 1, go. So that is fairly quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty accurate as well. So yeah, fairly quick, fairly accurate. The screen actually looks really decent as well. So we have an 8.3-inch display. This is going to be a liquid retina IPS LCD. I believe this is the same one that they used on the 11, but I'd say it looks pretty decent. And obviously we do have bezels on this device as well, as you guys can see, top, bottom, right and left side. This device, you guys are going to need to hold on to something since this is such a small device. And I've even seen a few people like Sarah Dici fit this in her back pocket, which is absolutely insane. So pretty crazy stuff. Inside of this device, we're going to have the A15 Bionic processor. We're also going to have 4 gigabytes of RAM in here, and our front-facing camera is going to be capable of 1080p. And if you guys are in a video call on this device, it does actually have face tracking, which is great to see. This is also going to be a 5-core Apple GPU. And as far as the specifications, we have 64 gigabytes inside of this model. This is going to be the Wi-Fi model, but this does actually have a cellular model, and these iPads are actually capable of 5G, and we can go all the way up to 256 gigabytes of storage if you guys would like to do that, which is pretty weird why they don't have a middle option. They just go from 64 to 256. I thought that was kind of weird, but yeah, we're gonna do some gaming and some other stuff on this device later on. But first thing I want to go ahead and check out is the speakers and how the display looks. Also, if you guys did not know this already, this has support for the 2nd gen Apple Pen. So if you guys are drawing, I'm pretty sure this would actually be a really good tablet to draw on or take notes if you guys are in school. But you guys can comfortably hold this in your hand, you know, obviously. Go ahead and attach your pencil, take it off, jot some notes down, put it back. Very comfortable. And they also have some really cool cases for this tablet as well that I'm probably going to be checking out later. But we're gonna go and take a look at the display, see how it is, give you guys my impressions, as well as seeing how those stereo speakers sound. So honestly, some very, very loud and clear speakers. We usually get that from Apple, and we have that 12 megapixel camera that, actually, let's go ahead and check that out right now. Go ahead and take a photo sample real quick. So we also have live photo on this, obviously. And we get some really, really good detail on this. So this is definitely going to be a camera worth using. Also, if you guys are just looking for a cheap device and you work from home and you need something for conference calls and things of that nature, this is definitely going to be the device for you, because this is small, this is pocketable. You guys can go ahead and set this up, and it's not going to be a behemoth like one of those 12.4 inch iPads or something crazy like that. So yeah, looks good. We can go up to 4K on this as well. And so far for $499, I think this is a pretty decent deal. So we're going to do our full review later on. We're going to do our gaming test and many other videos. But if you guys want to see more videos on this device and specific ones, definitely leave them in the comments section down below. But I'm definitely liking this device so far. I'm definitely liking the comfortability. And honestly, for me, the notches are really not too bad. And also, obviously, Touch ID up there. Great feature Apple added right there. Really liking that. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.